Today I'll be unboxing the Smart Music Star Projector. There are two colors, black or white. I have chosen white. Included is the manual, the star projector, the remote which you will need 2 batteries for, and the wire to plug it in. On the back, there is a switch. Once you plug the wire, turn it on. To get certain colors, what you need to do is press LED and then press R for red, W for white, and so on. There are 4 of them. There's 4 colors: red, white, green, and blue. There are also cool effects you can do. For example, if you only want one color, click fade. But if you want multicolors, click fade 2. Here are the colors I projected. This is not only a disco light, but it's also a speaker, so you can connect music via your phone Bluetoothly. There is also an app that you can download on your phone to control music and the lights. If you want to buy this product, link will be in the description.